Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and today my Grove Collaborative box came in. So I want to share with you guys what I got this month. Okay guys, we're going to look at everything together. I ordered some of their dishwasher detergent. I really like this. I ordered 2 bottles of this to keep me stocked up because I was running low. Here's the second bottle. And then I ordered a refill of dishwashing liquid for the kitchen. I love this scent. So this is the one I get. I need to refill for that one. And then this is what I've been waiting on. This is the glass foam hand soap bottle. Now, here it is. It does for your hand soap, the foam kind, because I always get the foam soap. So it has bubbles on this side, and on the back side, it has Grove Collaborative. Now, I do have a soap one in the kitchen, but it's for the liquid, not the foam. And I've always buy foam soap. So guys, here's my small haul from Grove Collaborative. Now, if you like my content, guys, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, click that subscribe button down below. Once you click it, a bell will appear. Click that bell. A notification screen will appear saying send all notifications for this channel. Click the box and click save, and you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They will be listed down below on the screen and as well as the description box. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.